careful because mommy has knives up here. But thank you for my rock.
I think they need a rock back. How do they need a rock? How do they need a rock?
I don't know. What happened? Direct light any better?
It's a green cup in here. Here's the rock.
Oh, wow. A coin? Thanks, babe.
Here.
Thank you. What do you want me to do with it? This.
I like it. I like it.
Cool. Okay. I'm nervous.
You shouldn't be.
Please. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys are gonna be in my kitchen. This may be the first video of you guys in my kitchen, so like welcome, but it might not be because I'm filming a couple of videos and I'm very sporadic and I don't plan well, so this might not be the first one. Today we're gonna make birria tacos. So I don't know why, but as of late they have been very popular. I've seen them everywhere, literally everywhere. And everybody has been making videos of them on YouTube and all that. So y'all can watch those videos or you can watch mine. I hope you watch mine. But disclaimer, I have never tried a birria taco in my entire life. I have seen them at taco shops, but I have never ever tried them. So I don't personally know what they taste like. And how I'm making them, I'm going off of like 10 different recipes and I'm just gonna do what I feel like sounds good. So that's what we're gonna do today. So today we're actually gonna make an Instant Pot recipe. So I have my pressure cooker here and we're gonna start prepping all the ingredients. It's an airplane.
Okay, Mama.
Thank you, baby.
It's an airplane and you.
Ooh, like it. Bye, hon. So for the meat we're using for the tacos, we are gonna use a chuck pot roast. Chuck pot roast, is that how you say that? Beef chuck, okay, let's do that again. So for the meat we're gonna be using for the birria tacos is a beef chuck roast. I've seen a lot of people use beef chuck roast or shank, but this is all we have access, sorry. So for our other ingredients, I have a medium-sized white onion. I have 3 Roma tomatoes. I have about 2 heads of garlic here that I peeled and chopped the little butts off of. And then we have 3 Guajillo Chiles. And for spices, I have some whole cloves, some cinnamon sticks, thyme, bay leaves, oregano.
Okay, so my child was being way too loud, but as you guys can see here, these are the spices that I'm using. There's some chipotle. This is just moving way too fast, but some Tsp Vinegar.
So to start, I'm gonna go ahead and put on these gloves. I have very sensitive hands. I also have eczema.
I got what?
The eczema.
Since we're working with chilies, I don't want to risk anything, so we're gonna use some gloves.
Alright, so I'll try my very best to narrate this, but I'm bad at this. But I'm chopping an onion. Okay, and I think I'm gonna chop it into 4s. So here we go. Chop. We are going to cut open our Guajillo chilies. We're going to deseed them. And once everything is all prepared and ready to go, we're just gonna grill them.
This smells bomb.
Alright, so now that everything is nice and char grilled, I'm just going to cut them up into 4s and transfer them to a saucepan to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, at least until the chiles are soft. Alright, so now we're just going to chop up our beef into cubes. This is going to help it fit in the Instant Pot. And you see that fat there? That's what you want. That gives it the flavor. So yeah, we're just going to chop them up, season them with some salt and pepper, and then we're going to sear them, and it's going to sound amazing. And we got our browned beef, and that the sear is also going to help lock in the juices of the beef. So here I'm just taking the what did we boil? You know, the things that we boiled, and then I'm just gonna take a submergent. Y'all, I'm blending them together, putting everything in the pot. One mistake I will say that I did make is not distinguishing between what the consomme is and the actual broth that the beef is cooked in. So I didn't know that there were two separate things. So when you see me add the tomato mixture that I blended up and pour into the pressure cooker here, it's thin. It's thinner than the paste that people usually use to make the broth with, and that's because I left some of the water in, which I shouldn't have, but you know, everything came out fine, so next time we know how to do it now.
Take it out and do it again.
So from what I've seen, my stew was a little thinner than a lot of other people's, and I have seen people take some of the stew out and then mix in like a tomato paste or some other kind of thickening agent to make the consomme actually thick and look good to dip in, and that's what I didn't do. So next time, noted. We get it. It was still delicious, but you know, learn from me. Alright, so we have dipped our tortillas in the broth and we are frying them. What I would have done different is I didn't mix the beef back into the broth. So my beef is just have been sitting outside of the broth, so it's a little dry. I would have added it back and then put it back on the tortilla so it can make it a little juicier, a little moist. And this is not the final product. I forgot to, you know, make it look a little pretty with the fixins, and watch this, my child, y'all, watch out.
I feel like I forgot to garnish. Give me a second.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah.
Here we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's good. Oh. What is this? It's good. A little bit more lime on there. We made birria tacos and they're delicious, huh, Bo? Are they good?
Yes.
She don't know, she's not eating them. So if I remember exactly what I did, I will go ahead and put the recipe down below in the description box. But this is good. I kind of feel like, I don't even remember, but I feel like, how do you say it? The consommé should be a little bit thicker, but taste overall is really delicious. I guess I'll link some of the recipes that I took from down below, as well as do my best to try to remember what I did, and I'll write that in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys next time in our next kitchen video. Oh my God, thanks, babe. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.